Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Open Chrome on Android or Safari on iPhone and navigate to Google.com. Once there, make sure you're signed in if you want bookmarks and personalization carried to the shortcut. Now tap the browser menu, 3 dots on Chrome, or the share icon on Safari, because that menu contains the action you need. This step kicks off creating an app-like shortcut, so don't skip it. It turns the web page into a tappable icon that launches instantly from your home screen. Once the menu is open, follow the platform-specific action. On Android, tap Add to Home Screen, then optionally edit the name and confirm. On iOS, open the Share sheet, scroll to Add to Home Screen, type a short label like Google, then tap Add. This step explains why. Android may install a progressive web app wrapper giving a standalone window, while iOS creates a direct shortcut that opens in Safari. Make sure to pick a concise name, so the icon label fits neatly on your home. After you add the shortcut, locate the new Google icon on your home screen and long press to move it, drop it into a folder, or place it in the dock for quick access. Tap the icon to test. It should open Google and preserve your sign-in. On Android, it may run like an app. On iOS, it opens in Safari. If the icon didn't appear or behaves oddly, clear the browser cache, reload Google.com over HTTPS. Then repeat the Add to Home action. That fix resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.